Hi friends, a very pleasant morning to everybody. Today I'm going to enlighten you about Windows Embedded Systems. What do you think is a Windows Embedded System? It is a family of operating systems from Microsoft which is used in any embedded device. Now you can ask me what an embedded device is. Any computer which can perform one or more functions which is assigned to it is called as an embedded device. For example, say your personal computer. Your personal computer is definitely an embedded device. Now we are well aware of the definition of what an embedded system is. But after knowing the definition of an embedded system, you and me should always know that Microsoft has started 4 kind of operating systems. So the family of Windows embedded system consists of 1. The Windows CE or Windows Compact. I'll just get back to this a little later. And then 2. Windows Embedded Standard. Now what is Windows Embedded Standard? The new version of Windows Embedded Standard 2009 has taken the backup from Windows XP. So coming to the features of Windows Embedded Standard 2009, it includes Silverlight, NetFrameworks 3.5, Internet Explorer 7, and it also has Windows Media Player 11, RDP 6.11, etc. etc. It also has access specifiers and all. So these were a few features of Windows Embedded Standard 2009. Coming to the third one in the family is Windows Embedded Enterprise. It consists of both the Windows XP and the Windows Vista. Windows XP has several versions from its release from 2001, but it has basic 2 versions, that is Windows XP Home and the Windows XP Professional. Home is for the home users and Windows XP Professional for the business and the power users. But Windows XP Professional provides several other features which are not available in Windows XP. Like a few features, for example, the access specification. If a user have to access any file, he or she has to be granted the permission in any day-to-day circumstances. Only then you can access any file. This is a wonderful feature. And the next one is remote control system. The remote control desktop. Suppose you have a PC with Windows XP Professional and you have another with Windows XP. So you can operate the system by another in the same remote area landmark. So this is another wonderful feature which is present in Windows Professional and not in Windows XP. So after seeing a few interesting features of Windows Professional, we have Windows Vista waiting along with us. That is the Windows Embedded Starter, the Windows Embedded Home Edition, the Windows Embedded Premium, the Windows Embedded Business, Enterprise and Ultimate. Then next, I'd like to get back to my topic, Windows Embedded Compact. It is also called as WinCE in short. And you always say that the beginning is good which starts well. So the handheld PCs, the smartphones and the pocket PCs, etc. To perfectly understand the development of WinCE, we should look back definitely to the history of 1992. It is all about a project, WinPad project by Microsoft. Microsoft people had a commitment to see a change in the way people used the Windows. They wanted to see the passion and the change and the various things they could do with the help of these Windows. But the hardware at that time couldn't support this WinPad project, and so they had to take a step back and they withdrew the project. They stopped it. But as you say, if one thing goes wrong, there's something better waiting for you. And then they had the second project called Pulsar. So despite the setback, they had another project waiting for them, that was Pulsar. The main concept of Pulsar was to develop a wireless device, something like pager on steroids. So ultimately, Microsoft knew that they were on the right track. So what did they do? Is they never felt bad regarding anything, as world was not ready to take up the second project also. So they combined both the Pulsar and the WinPad, and both of them together they formed a new association called Pegasus. This Pegasus came into existence, building a new foundation in 1996. After 21 months of the foundation of Pegasus Group, the OEM developers were formed and they signed up and they released the WinCE in the market. We know that with each and every edition of WinCE, that is from 1 to 6, the features have been increasing. So let me just update you with the WinCE 6.0 with the codename Yamazaki. It was released in the market in around September in 2006, and the basic mature features of WinCE 6.0 are the number of processes have been increased, the process address space is increased from 32 MB to 2 GB, The system call performance has tremendously increased, and the user mode and the kernel mode both are possible in this software. After the wonderful features of the existing WinCE 6.0, the interesting part is WinCE 7.0 is also targeted to be released in 2010 with the wonderful features like cell core, dual core and Wi-Fi positioning system along with Bluetooth 3.0 are the wonderful features of the coming up WinCE 7.0 yet to be released in the market 2010. So friends, I hope that the last 2 minutes discussion on Windows embedded systems has made you understand the basic features of all the present editions and the future coming edition in the market, that is WinCE 7.0. This is Sumedha thanking you. Take off.